You know, a lot of times I go camping. I say I'm off grid, but I always manage to get some kind of signal somewhere. Well, this time, there ain't no managing. Because right here where I am, you don't get much more off grid than this. Absolutely no service, no matter where you are. You want service, you gotta drive 20 miles into town to get enough service so you can at least send a picture. But right here, don't get much better than this. This is Mother Nature at its best right here. True beauty. Hope you unwind. Let the ugliness of society melt away and just get back to who you truly are. I bet you there's parts around here that have been untouched by man. Yeah, there may be not much. A lot of the big cities may not be much left, but there's still some. True beauty of God's country to help heal you of all that needs to be healed.